channel. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. I want to go over the one trade I took today based off of some kind of choppy price action. But yeah, let's get right into it. Starting off on the higher time frame. Lately been starting off on the weekly because of where we're at. So starting off on the weekly, we are pretty far down here, right? So we have this weekly gap right here coinciding with a daily gap that we can see we've kind of flipped from red to green. And on the 4 hour, we bounced pretty much right off the midpoint of the weekly, tapping into the daily right here. And on the 1 hour, we created a 1 hour gap on the way up. So this is a nice V-shaped recovery consolidation to go higher, to take out New York and London. So what I saw at open was a continuation to higher and smaller time frame, just upwards trend. So on the smaller time frame, on the 5 minute, we have the same kind of thing right here. So we have a triple low London, which is a great thing to see when you are in an accumulation zone trying to go higher. V-shaped recovery with a change in a state of delivery, a retest of that zone to continue going higher, especially on higher time frame like 5, 15, 30 minute. That's fantastic. We swept out all of these highs right here, tapping into this 15 minute. So I was like, okay, we're bound to go higher, right? There's higher draws. We rebalanced right here with 3 times, creating a support level. And we made a change of state delivery on 5 and 15 minute with a retest. So we're probably going to go higher. So what I did was I went down to the 1 minute and 30 second to find an entry. Market opened right here. Not right here. It was over here. So market opened over here. 6:30. Let's see if we can make this better. There we go. We again made a change in a state of delivery with the 35 candle with a hold and close above right here. And so what I did was I took a long on the 15 second because we can see we were chopping around. We made that change in a state delivery. And so once we came back down, I was willing to go long back up. And even though I did get in right at the bottom, I was okay with price coming down a little bit further because of all the reasons I had just mentioned, right? If it wanted to retrace down a little bit more to grab some price, that would have been fine because I was confident in my move. If it wanted to come down a little bit more, that's when I would have exited, but it played out pretty good in my favor for $753 just in that one trade. Yes, I did size a little bit more, but it was for 30 something points. So 40 minus 14 is 25 points, something like that. But pretty good trade to just start off the day. I was only on here for like 5 or 10 minutes and I'm done. Disregarding all of the chart marking up and all that, so whatever, 35 or 40 minute day. But that's it. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna lock myself out, which I believe I've already done. But yeah, if you have any questions about it, please let me know. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another trade recap. Win or loss, it'll be here. On top of all that, over here in my Top Step dashboard, I did request a payout on my two accounts. They're pending right here, so 1100 and 1100. And yeah, just trying to be as transparent as possible on this channel. So again, leave any comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.